everyone, today we are going to learn the e-commerce legislation. Firstly, an overview of e-commerce legislation, including worldwide e-commerce legislation overview, current situation of e-commerce legislation in China. At the beginning, let's make a case analysis. Okay, now you can think 2 questions that are related to the following content. In the process of global e-commerce legislation, it has gone through 3 stages. The WTO's 3 major breakthrough agreements. International organizations have accelerated the formulation of guiding trading rules for e-commerce. Regional organizations will actively formulate various e-commerce policies. In China, to adapt to the rapid development of e-commerce, China has provided legal protection in various aspects to improve the e-commerce development environment. So far, a relatively complete e-commerce legal system has been established. Next, we will continue to understand the e-commerce legal knowledge. At first, an overview of the e-commerce law. The definition of electronic commerce law including broad sense and narrow sense. The broad sense of the e-commerce law is corresponding to the broad sense of the concept of e-commerce, which includes all the legal norms of adjusting the commercial activities in the form of data messages. In the narrow sense of view, the electronic commerce law is a normative system for adjusting the commercial relations caused by the transaction form formed by using data messages as the means of transaction. E-commerce law is a standard system to adjust the commercial relationship formed by the data message as the transaction means. Business activities that use data messages as a means of transaction are the adjustment object of the e-commerce law. The nature of the e-commerce law includes 1. E-commerce law is both arbitrary and mandatory. 2. The form of e-commerce law is the enactment of law. 3. The e-commerce law is international. The character of e-commerce law includes 1. It takes the industry practice of businessmen as its standard. 2. It has the natural characteristics of globalization that spans any national boundary and region. Last, the e-commerce law has 3 basic principles. 1. Principles of neutrality. 2. The principle of autonomy. 3. Safety principles. Now we can review the knowledge we learned today through some classroom exercises. 1. What is the e-commerce law? 2. What principles does the e-commerce law have? Okay, that's all for today. Thanks.